This is the best day of my life. Today's freaking hot. Whew! Let's do it! Okay guys, this is the day that I have been waiting for in my entire life, every single day. This is a life-changing for me, and I'm so happy for that. This video is not sponsored, but I have the best dad in the whole world, and he didn't pay me to say this, but yeah, he's the best. This guy is amazing. I love you, Dad. Okay, without further ado, let's unbox something. I think this is the UV filter. I think this is the UV filter. Okay. Bam! It's a UV filter. Yeah, this is the UV filter. 58 millimeter. I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, I hope it's the camera focused on that one, and I hope it focused back on me again. So yeah, let's just put that one here. Okay, what do we have else? I think this is the tripod. Yep, this is the tripod. Okay, this is the tripod I bought. It's like 1 meter height, and yeah, let's just leave this side here. And now to the main trophy, the checkbot. This is my girlfriend. This is my baby. This is my lover. This is my wife. This is my everything. This belongs here. Oh. Okay, finally guys, the Canon EOS 200D unboxing is here. Let's do it! Woo! Okay. Oh baby, yeah. Here. Okay. Ready? What? Boom! We have this, and we have the Canon original bag. Okay, and also we have the receipt. Okay, first let's put that here. Bag. Dude, it's a big bag. This one there. What's this? 5 years warranty for the bag? What? Okay, this is a big bag. This is a very big bag. Nice. I love big stuff. Okay, let's crack it open. Okay. And this is the handle. And 16 gigabyte is missing, but we will see that later. This is my, no, the 16 gigabyte is here. Yeah, it's inside the box. It's inside the, I thought it's inside the bag, but it's inside the box here. Okay. Okay, let's unbox this. Okay, this is a 16 gigabyte memory card. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, I just like adjusted the lights and I put the camera on the new tripod. As like, see, why do I buy a tripod without using it? So this one, bye bye, Habibi, bye bye. I think I'm gonna use it, but like not for now. So let's just focus on here. How are you, baby? I miss you so much. Okay, let's open it. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. We got first is the Canon manual. It's a big manual. It has everything inside that. Okay, I'll read that later. Okay, we have 2 sets of warranty. One for the body and one for the lens, the kit lens. First we have the charger cable. And then we have the charger itself. have the charger, Canon charger. We have lithium battery. We have the battery, LPE17. The strap, Canon strap, and the kit lens. Let's open this one here. What? Okay. This is the Canon 18 to 50 millimeter zoom lens, kit lens. Comes with the camera. Dang, it's so smooth. Okay. And for the main object, the body, the camera body. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, this is the body. It's the flip out screen here. Damn, the screen is so clean, man. It's a touch screen, but I'm scared to touch it with my hand. It's so clean. Okay. Boom, it's in. So let's put the kit lens. Canon. Open it. Boom. And the camera body. Yep. Take that. And we have to adjust the white dot with the white dot in the camera body here. Okay. And left it to the right. See that voice? Oh yeah. Okay, this is the camera here. Let's turn on the camera. From here. Let's just get closer from you guys. I want to get closer from you. On. Boom! It works! Okay. Okay, let's just like remove the hood. Damn it, man. Okay. Boom! First shot. This is my baby here. Okay, I think this is all. Okay, let's switch from the phone to the camera and let's see if it's gonna be a better quality or no. So, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so we're rolling now from the Canon EOS 200D. The flip screen is amazing. I'm not used to seeing myself when I'm filming. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay. Chill out. Okay, this is a live from camera. I hope the voice is better, and I think that like the camera isn't. I think it's the same quality basically. So I'm so happy for this camera. It's really crazy to see yourself when you're filming right now. Wallahi, I used to suffer when where's my phone? Yeah, this guy here. I used to use the back camera, and I don't know if I'm there, if I'm focused or no, if I'm not in focus. Is it rolling or no? This thing turned off twice while I was unboxing this thing, and after I finished the unboxing, it's not rolling. What? So I had to do the unboxing again. The UV filter is amazing. There, it's basically just to protect the front element of the lens. So I'll make a review for this camera, field review. I'll make some shoots and I'll show you guys the camera performance. But first, let me show you this view. It's an amazing view from my window. Okay, let's do this. See? Inshallah, it's a really good view. The crazy thing about this camera is that you can't see yourself. It's really great. Okay, but I'm looking here. I have to look here, not here. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. I'll take some shots with this camera and I'll make a review for that. And I hope you guys. You're amazing. You're amazing people. Make sure that you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you see the previous videos if you didn't see it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm really scared to put my hands on the lens.